Here's a very interesting quirk on my CLK. So, right in that area, there's the thump, periodic thump. So, where it gets more interesting is under the hood. This pipe is a corresponding dance. And whatever that is, that's probably some sort of a Ford motor. Seems to be the only one that's affected that I can see. I think what I'm going to try to do is change the temperature and see if anything is different. Let's just go ahead and put both sides on high heat. I don't think it's thumping anymore. Let's go look. It definitely has something to do with the temperature control. Let's see what happens if I put it down on low. On both sides. Let's see if that fixes the issue. Well, it thumped once. Does not appear to be doing it again. So maybe that thing just needed some exercise. Yeah, it looks fine now. I just thought I'd share that. It's kind of interesting.